What's the price of sunflower oil making machine? The amount of sunflower seeds processed is different, and the machines required is different, so the price of sunflower oil making machine will also be quite different. Here, Hen & Glory Company provides you with 3 different options as for sunflower oil making machine production lines and the price. If the processing capacity is less than 5 tons per day, you can choose a roaster and sunflower oil press and a plate filter. The price is from $4,500 to $12,000. If the processing capacity is 5 to 20 tons per day, it is a small-scale sunflower oil production line, including cleaning equipment, frying pan, oil press, plate filter and filling machine, and the price is $12,000 to $60,000. If the processing capacity is more than 20 tons per day, including cleaning equipment, shelling machine, softening pot, embryo pressing machine, oil press, filter and other equipment, the price is $60,000 to $17,800. Hen & Glory Company can customize a suitable sunflower oil production plan for you according to your actual needs and budget. If you need, please feel free to contact us.